Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the charger model and its rated output so you know optimal settings. Plug the supplied USB-C or appropriate AC adapter into the charger and a live outlet. This ensures full power delivery. Once powered, place the pad on a flat, stable surface and clear away metal items that interfere with alignment. Make sure indicator LEDs light. This tells you the unit is receiving power and ready for the next step. You now position your phone carefully with the device's charging coil centered over the pad. This improves efficiency and reduces heat. If you use a case, make sure it is thin or remove it when thicker than 3 mm. Metal or magnetic mounts must be taken off. Once placed, look at the LED. A steady light means charging. A blink usually signals misalignment or foreign object detection. So nudge the phone until the indicator stabilizes. You finish by leaving the phone to charge to the level you need while monitoring temperature. Mild warmth is normal, but excessive heat means stop charging and remove the phone. If charging fails, swap the cable or adapter first, then reposition the phone and restart the device. These steps eliminate common faults. Once done, unplug the charger when not in use to reduce standby draw. Remember that proper alignment, and using the correct adapter fix most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.